Just like that, y'all seen, man, I got the windows darker. So it is darker in here, but we did get my boy KB to pull up. So we finna go head to Walmart and see about these helmets. Cause you know, Milan, you gotta wear a helmet on your big ass head. So we about to go see about these helmets up at Walmart for our heads. And yeah, that's mostly it. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to Walmart, I guess. Just like that, man, we pulled up to Walmart. Let's go in here and see what helmets they got. We're gonna have KB try it on his head. We're gonna see what's going on if we can. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get back there in that area. All right, y'all, we went inside Walmart. They didn't have no helmets, no nothing. They only had really like the bike helmets and the kid helmets with all the designs on them and stuff. So we just gonna go to Milan. I'm gonna go to Milan, check it out for a few hours, then go back and get started on this stuff. So I'm probably not gonna race, probably not, most likely not gonna race today. So I'm just gonna go there, watch him do some stuff. She was trying not to let me over. I know y'all heard that. Y'all probably like, damn, motherfucker loud. She trying to beat me because it's a little merge over. But yeah, we about to go get some gas, get some couple snacks, cause the boy hungry, and then we'll probably head out there. So I'll probably catch y'all in a sec. Just like that, we at Milan. Y'all see, try not to get this music in the background, but we got Mustang. We got, y'all see the Camaro right there. That's the red eye. We got our boy KB, got a bike. We got some more people coming, so we about to go up here and see what's going on.
Play from anywhere. Download limited time. New customers can get a 100% deposit match up to $100 in casino credits just for signing up. That's promo code DRAW only on DraftKings Casino.
What do you think this time?
Credits which require one-time playthrough within 7 days. See terms at casino.draftkings.com/player. Discover credit. Wait, hold up.
Drag radials or something.
Yeah, I told him he needs some. There we go.
Come forward. Hold up, I got you.
Detroit's #1 music station. If you live in White Lake, thank you for listening. We love you. You made us #1.
All right, great. I did hear.
No, wait, but you gotta have it manual.
Yeah. Slide around the coast.
damn, this shit's so fun. That's one of the niggas too. Light that bitch, Greggy.
There you go.
I'm out of tire. Huh?
You need some practice, man. I'm supposed to be in it. Damn, y'all deep.
Look at this hoe.
Y'all see, man, got the durag. Oh man, copyright. But y'all see, man, got the durag go fresh cut. You know, I got the waves booming a little bit, but you know, I don't like to show my head for real. But other than that, man, y'all see, we got the car wash I needed to wash. That was at Milan. So seen some sliding. My boy was sliding his 300. What else? Racing. You see my boy KB out there. They was out there doing their thing. Everybody was out there doing their thing. So this is looking like a wrap for this video. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.